Hello everyone, and thanks for coming back to the channel. Today we're going to take a quick look at the EV800DM. It's a new goggle that replaces the old iteration, the EV800Ds. These have been a long time standard for kind of entry-level budget sort of goggles, and I started on something similar. There's nothing wrong with these. And the goggles work like you would expect a goggle like this to work. It has recording and auto search features. You can change the brightness and contrast and all the things you would expect, as I said, of a normal goggle. It's got audio in and out. It's got dual antennas. So if you're not familiar, if you have an antenna that's a patch antenna and you have a difficult area in your reception, you can point that patch in that direction and you'll get a little better reception. It's not going to give you $500 goggle reception, but it's a good entry level. And you might also be looking at this if you want to hand a set of goggles, an inexpensive set of goggles, to someone so they can enjoy your FPV flight and maybe get them started as well. And there's only a few differentiating factors. One, they're more comfortable and they're lighter. You can wear them with your glasses and they telescope out. There is a little bit of light leak that comes in around the sides and around the nose piece as well, but that's going to vary depending upon the size and shape of your head. But the one thing that I have to kind of stop at is the screen. The screen is touted as a resolution of 900 by 600. And I'm not certain it is, or I just can't get it into focus. And that's kind of where I have to stop with my review. I don't have a lot of people I can show this to. I can show it to my family and my kids, but I don't have any assurance that they're seeing what they should be seeing when they say it looks fine. Because for me, whether I'm wearing my glasses or not, inside the screen, it just doesn't look as good as the originals. The original screen just looks better. And the original separates so that you can hand just part of it for multiple people to watch. It also has this mounting hole for tripods so that you could have it on a tripod and maybe you're flying a wing or something of that nature and you just step into it and you step out. But even at $73, I can't necessarily recommend these. Now, if you have someone near you that has these and you tried them on and they work well for you, then sure, yeah, get a set if you find them they work for you. But as far as a video review of this product, I can't give it a thumbs up and I can't give it a thumbs down because I just can't tell if it doesn't focus for me or if that's just a lower quality screen that's inside. If you want my opinion, it's a lower quality screen inside. The original had a better quality screen. And despite those features, I have to kind of end the review with the fact that I think you really need to get your hands on these. I think you really need to be sure they're going to work for you. Yes, they're only $73. But as I've said many times throughout this short review, I can't assure these are going to work for you. I would say if you don't have the ability to get with someone that might have those or experience other goggles, a safer bet is the slightly less comfortable but a little bit more versatile EV800Ds. Or if you're a glasses wearer, pick up the FXT Vipers, but they are about double the price. If you have any comments, questions, suggestions, or otherwise about the EV800DMs, please let me know in that section down below. I appreciate your time. And thanks for watching.